With websites built using Fluid Engine, it's incredibly easy to resize blocks. Start by adding a new block or clicking on an existing one. Hover over the squares in the block's outline until the cursor becomes an arrow. Click and drag to adjust the block's height and width. The grid appears in the background to help your resizing. Yellow indicators will appear if your block is the same height, width, or size as other blocks in the section, helping you easily keep things the same size. You can also use shortcut keys. Hold the Command key on Mac, or Control on Windows, and click and drag to scale a block up or down symmetrically. Or use Command-Shift on Mac or Control-Shift on Windows to use the arrow keys to resize a block with vertical or horizontal symmetry. Click the mobile view icon to resize blocks in the mobile layout. Resizing blocks in desktop view won't resize blocks on mobile. When resizing image blocks, you can control if or how the image is cropped. Click the Edit button and go to the Design tab. You can choose to have the full image fit within the block, fill the block with the image, or crop the image to a shape. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.